Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Lee Knowles from 1 Point Survey, and they cover the south west of the UK, and they actually fit an awful lot of machine control, the MC1 system with Leica Geosystems. We're here today again on site with a key customer, MJL, and basically MJL have been working with you now for some time, Lee, not just to fit this brand new Volvo EC220EL with the Leica Geosystems machine control and an Encon tilt rotator, folks, but also on the surveying equipment. That combination is really important, isn't it? Tell me how that's combined to give the team some better outcomes on site and help them expand.
First got the guys into it about a couple of years ago after inquiry around it, and it just kind of spiraled from there. So they had a 35 tonner fitted out, got on really well with it, and then it, sort of the next order come, and here we are. This one was all fitted up, as you say, with the Encon, and the guys are really getting on well with it. So, without using the cliche, the game changer, spoke to Matt of MJL, and really improved their productivity, performance, the speed, accuracy, absolutely really critical for them. And with that, they can see the benefit. The next order comes, the next order, and hopefully more in the pipeline to come.
And I think what's interesting about this story is they're not just talking about MJL here, but they're working in partnership with an engineering firm locally that you're also supporting with the surveying equipment. It's really important with machine control that the model's right, isn't it, Lee? The model's right in the first place. We dig to the model, therefore we dig right. And so tell me a little bit about that relationship and how you're supporting the engineering team and MJL.
Yeah, sure. Kemp Engineering, again down in Cornwall there. Work very closely, been doing all MJL stuff all over the counties they cover. Speaking to their lead engineer there, Chris Hewitt, does a lion's share of the MJL stuff. Yeah, really working well for them. Again, the interaction between the two, the speed, the non-necessary to go to site, the travel, when you look at the environmental side of things, to be able to, yes, there's still a lot of work involved with it all there, but to be able to pick that up and send it via the Connex system wirelessly when they need it, that information is been really, really good for them.
And I think what's important about that Connex system allows this asset here and all the other MJL assets to actually send data to the actual cloud themselves. So they're sending real-time dig data, so as-built plots to the team, but also that can be shared with the customer. We're on a house building site here. They can see how progress is being made. They can see the impacts of the weather we've had recently as well. But also that allows us to see that we're digging to the right depths. We're using just the right amount of concrete. Everything's going up in price. So all of these millimeter accuracies all come in and they all make a profitable difference, don't they?
Yeah, I mean, it really has changed the way they work in a way. Talking about every machine 13 ton and above now getting fitted with the Leica MC1 system. So when you're talking that somewhere in the region of 80 machines, that is a grand investment. I'm sure more Encon will come with that, and for that little group. What they've also said is, sort of growing as the business and the attraction of the business now having that machinery and those implements on there is actually drawing people towards the company. They're asking, can we have that? Everyone's struggling to find good machine drivers. It's turning possibly not so good machine drivers into better machine drivers too. So yeah, it's a win-win for them.
And I've been talking to Martin here, a very experienced operator, took on this machine in October 2021, and he's put a lot of hours on the machine already with the Encon. It's a game changer for him because he feels safer, less people around the site, which is important, and two, he's doing things quicker with the Encon, and he's even managed to offset a pond that they've put here on site for drainage and done that completely through a model, no engineers required at all, and he's dug that from day one, open field, into the pond structure. It's amazing, isn't it?
So when you look at it, how tidy it is and that around and what the boys can do with it, just the enthusiasm to get to work and be able to use that it's really key for a business, key for a company, and the productivity. Also, chatting to Matt, the client likes it too. It looks a lot more professional when they go into it and they've got all this fitted, and then they can show them you know, what they're doing, and they come and see it. You know, it'd be nice to got some drone footage of the plots and that to see just how tidy they are and that, because we can see by the eye here. But yeah. So.
Right, fantastic to come and see you yet again, Lee, on site here with Lee, running around the country, a machine controlling everybody up and helping the surveyors deliver those models. It's great to see this yet again, pushing forward, reducing costs, reducing fuel burn as well with brand new machines and all of those things combined. Red to white diesel is going to be changing the cost base for everyone. So if you can reduce fuel, be productive, be efficient, be smarter, be safer, then it's good for the environment and it's good for profitability. Great to see you again, Lee.
Yeah, thanks Peter, all the best.